Hello and welcome to CCM. I am Dr. Kurland, Dean of Virtual Campus. The Office of Virtual Campus is here to support students taking distance ed courses. Due to the pandemic, this year all of our courses will have some virtual learning component to it, so we will be supporting all of you in some capacity. CCM is offering 3 learning environments or locations in Titans Direct: hybrid, online, and remote. Hybrid courses will have some required on-campus activity. Those dates and times are indicated on Titans Direct. Online courses are fully online and will not have any required real-time virtual meetings. Remote courses will be held online with required real-time virtual meetings. Those dates and times are indicated on Titans Direct. I encourage you to check out the 411 Learning at CCM. It is a self-paced orientation designed specifically for students taking distance education courses. Now, here are some tips on getting ready for your courses. Prior to the start of the semester, check to make sure that you meet the technology requirements. Please visit the website for a list. Be sure to have a reliable and secure internet connection. If your professor uses ProctorU to proctor exams, it is especially important that you have a strong and stable internet connection. Be sure to have the most current version of Firefox and Chrome browsers on your computer. Do not use Safari and Edge as they are not supported. Browser Check is available on Blackboard login page. Blackboard is our learning management system, similar to Google Classrooms. Blackboard has an app. Please download and use it for your courses on your mobile devices. Make sure you have access to a webcam and microphone. There is a time commitment for each of your classes. Typically, 1 credit hour equals about 1 hour of work per week. Most of your classes are 3 credits. That means you will spend about 9 hours per week in total for one class, most likely about 10 hours in distance education courses. Therefore, if you are taking 5 classes or 15 credits, expect to spend a total of 45 to 50 hours per week for all of your class activities, inclusive of lecture and in-person activities. As you can imagine, time management is critical to being successful, especially in distance education courses. Some simple to-dos. Read through every syllabus carefully. Put the due dates on your phone calendar or any calendar. Put required meeting dates and times on the phone calendar or any calendar. We are here to support you. As always, if you have questions regarding individual classes, your faculty members are your first point of contact. We also have other support services in place for you. The Academic Success Center or Task Plus, Virtual Campus, and Solution Center. You can find a lot of this information on the Virtual Campus website. Connect with others, enjoy the experience, and have an amazing semester.